Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Grace Kennedy is to acquire a 100% stake in Scotia Insurance Caribbean's business. GK announced the deal today, which is still subject to regulatory approval. Scotia Insurance Caribbean now operates in Barbados, Belize, British Virgin Islands, Cayman, and Turks and Caicos Islands. The announcement comes exactly 1 year after GK's acquisition of Scotia Insurance Eastern Caribbean. The entity was later rebranded to GK Insurance Eastern Caribbean. The acquisition will bring GK's life insurance business to 12 markets in the region. And back home, Palace Amusement is shifting focus to return to profitability. The movie theatre operators say this has led them to shut the drive-in theatre in New Kingston. August 28 was the last of the drive-in theatre era in Jamaica, at least for the foreseeable future. Movie theatre operators Palace Amusement decided to bring the curtains down on that side of the business located in New Kingston, which opened in October 2020. The offering was at one point the only theatre approved to operate during the COVID-19 pandemic, but since the containment measures have been relaxed, business has been slow.
It had become a drag on the bottom line. When we first opened, it was during the COVID pandemic and curfews and all of that, and we were able to open still. We did pretty good business at that time. The cinema holds 200 cars, and we would see like maybe 5, 6, 10 cars for the night, for the week. So that'll give you an idea.
Marketing manager and director at Palace, Melanie Graham. She says the company is now focused on paying off its debt and improving the offerings at its other locations.
It is keeping up with the times, what is happening out there in the industry. We're very limited with what we have, space-wise. But yes, there are certain things that we could do. At this present moment, though, everything has a financial meaning to it. We need to consider that very carefully because we had to make an arrangement for a very big loan, which we have to concentrate on paying back and getting out of that situation.
She says Palace is currently looking to recover from the losses experienced over the last 2 years, and the inflow of some big-ticket pictures like Black Panther should help them rake in improved revenues. Scotiabank says it will no longer be accepting paper £20 and £50 banknotes as of the 19th of September. This is days before the notes will be removed as legal tender by the Bank of England. Scotiabank says persons with these paper notes have until Friday, September 16 to deposit or exchange them at a branch. In June, the Bank of England announced it will be withdrawing the paper £20 and £50 notes effective September 30 this year. These notes are being replaced by polymer notes of the same value, which were first issued a year ago. To the foreign exchange market, the US dollar is being sold for an average $151.54. $116.82 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar, $177.63 for the pound, while it's costing an average $153.58 for the euro. The JSE index advanced by 623 points today, while the junior market index gained 9 points. Among the winners were Palace Amusement, JMB Group 7.25% variable cumulative redeemable preference shares, Mailpack Group, Portland JSX, and MPC Caribbean Clean Energy, while among the decliners were 138 Student Living Jamaica, CAC 2000, JMB Group 7% variable cumulative redeemable preference shares, JMB Group 7.25% shares, and Trans Jamaican Highway US dollar shares. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Good evening.